Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Now, BBI, I find there.
You have a corner. Me produce with General China. Francis Transit. There be MP. Me set Transit. That's what inside there. The producer. And then you buy Abronye. Thursday we can send me. In Share FM.
Okay.
This week, you have 3 colleagues in Yamenkwa. Nhyira. Nanka Yaboko Jan.
Yeah.
Yaboko Jan or Hanum say Ebianka breach here abono. Your colleagues me and sa. Kalam say Yamenkwa. Ka omo share omonkwa. Nti me build momentum no for my Abronye. Thursday no. Ana me kan say Dr. Ananya se mo be kan me checks there. Obo me audio na abehu. Say me checks just on National Executive Council.
Okay.
It is Wabeka Assembly, which is a hearsay because we need baby, me know the general high bon komo. Say Francis Ebani a bon komo no kwa ka baby a reported speech. Ebi a luta me kachre no, ebi amena me kachre no. Ti me ka say hearsay. The acting national chairman of NPP Rabute Echo Adom FM ko confirm say oh, you Dr. na nka ho. Na there's no evidence that just Abronye disrespected Papa Kofo. But I made a case I say however Luta, Dr. Anani betimi awo abranti. So for him to dedicate 18 minutes, and I even says I have no issue with Obi operating immediately anything.
Yeah.
The language, the commentary, and I'm very surprised. Almost 48 hours after the fact, the NPP has not issued a single statement on this matter. Ebra MP for Santia Chem South. You're boating.
Yes.
In summer, I don't know the bearing it has on anything.
Me tears answer when I say, oh, with your penya can say hunu.
NPP actual statement say commitment to inclusive equality and national unity. Statement in a word in
This is what is emanating from the new Patriotic Party.
Ebra Yera Boating Kokani can only issue statement Omoka say NPP reaffirms commitment to inclusive equality and national unity. Ni Abronye kikan na the party unity ba. Ni Abronye kikan no e the party cohesion ba. You see, and the behind me say optics. Thursday and I said it here. I always think I won't play my voice. This is why some people perceive say it seems say bankrophobia the party is slow to act. But bankrophobia they are quick to act. Granted, and I said it on Thursday because I knew what my sources were telling. The man was not there. It is a hearsay when you go to my private YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Thursday and upper. Story na me here. I'll say yes, no niho. But granted, was that how a no mean person like a regional chairman should respond to a senior member of the party?
And now you want to say radio in journalism. I remember say old school on which and say your element of news. There were be a friend the prominency of the person.
Yes.
They say Okobi say one Kobi. Say Okobi na onimu na so can some no. It can be represented.
Yes, I get it.
Yeah.
But I'm saying say granted, and I said it on Thursday because I knew my sources. Granted, say Aluta, Papa and some or say no kre. Abronye didn't disrespect Papa Kofo. Is that how you were supposed to respond to the person?
But on the flip side,
but you see,
say Papa no so nim say no ni ho. Others will represent it as if say no.
And I'm saying to you, no, what did Papa Nanka saw? Also, what say? So recently there was a meeting.
Okay.
See, anywhere he never said he was there. I am rather saying say permit checks. He's not part of the National Executive Council. He wasn't in the meeting. So whatever he's reporting is hearsay.
Okay.
I know that's here.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, say, granted he was not there. To even call the man a murderer. Want to be. So man Crawford Duboni Kumkum Nipa. Bring his professional competency into disrepute. But I'm saying Abronye kako one side of the divide in Intino. Are you okay?
Si hono subiu.
Me say Abronye ekasa ko one side of the divide. Nti o me support that divide no. Ehun say are you okay? But you are kwaku watebeke kan sem huni efa Dr. Mamu ba amia ne de. You had cause to complain. Ono wan frɛ ba amia so oye medra wo. Wan frɛ ba amia so oye kromfuo. And not there it was bad. You saw the hypocrisy. Why I say that when you're a journalist, you don't take the feedback of some of these people seriously. Obi fro obi kromfo any medra calling the person's professional competence into disrepute. NPP party 48 hours after the fact, not a single statement to condemn what the Bono chairman did. This incident happened just about a week.
Yeah.
And I'm giving you instances. I can't say about me outside that. Now about me is one fan as a day. Obama machine and your vice president. A very useless statement. And I even explained that when we go into politics, Pisi Kaka say me ANC, you number president too.
Yeah.
Mandela, what has to do no moment in the but events change the history no be president. Kwame Nkrumah.
Yes.
And paragraphs with them Nisika Kofane by.
And he got invited.
Exactly. So that is how dynamics are. So politics, they are busuan kumya. And I ba near the amount. But the NPP had cause to issue a statement and say that they are calling for inclusive equality and national unity. And I'm saying that granted, Sanya, Papa Nekano, you're even wrong. Is that how you respond to a senior member of the party? Then I watch Yankora. But I said they are quiet. And I always say, when you make the level fair, the playing field fair, equal, even, marry.
That's true.
But you see, when the optics is that they be an answer, media family one, moon carry, media family one, moon carry, it sends a certain bad signal. I have stood here and I've said countlessly that this 5 contest, only get the bottom, Bamia will win. But you see, my admiration or respect for him shouldn't cloud my judgment. I've given you 2 instances. MPB Kotra baby. MP will represent a constituency. Say Bamia or the Kataize Bamia as a slave. The MPP didn't issue the statement condemning the comment of the MP. A regional chairman goes and sits on a platform. We cry the one because it's an insult. Tags a senior member of the party as a murderer. The party 48 hours after the
dangerous, you know, say nipa no cry a doctor.
And I'm saying that, for you to bring the person's professional competencies into disrepute, that alone, the MPP and this man served as a minister, served as an MP.
Yeah.
Aluta, Fabibia Tonche, is it fair?
Not at all.
You see?
Not at all.
And I always wonder why the MPP put themselves in that position. It is bad for the optics. They need to tell some people the truth. And I'm saying that he was an MP. This is a regional chairman with 12 constituencies. The MP is from just one constituency. A regional chairman. You will be able to issue statement out. In a statement, I can say back.
Yeah.
And this person sits at neck. And MPP Penibiante. MPP General Secretary in Kasa. The optics. And I always told you, say, when you're analyzing politics, in politics, perception is almost a reality. That is why maybe I'm corruption perception. I'm a corruption reality in this. I'm saying what? Corruption perception, what people perceive. And if you are not able to get a good perception about yourself out there, it is worrying. Let's just encourage this. And you see, the danger of these things beyond even the MPP is the nature of our politics. And Obiat Biso cameras in as no idea Obiatam. What? It's hard in the flavor. Na papa penny, yet me the need to TV so a dinner them. The MPP cannot comment on it 48 hours after the fact. As I was coming this morning, I checked the pages on posting anyhow. But because of Kabima, the time I moved by me, and okay. And I forward say, me analysis be remember Matthias Galam say, posterity will bear all of us out 1. Near Woyeno, or Chinabi a bad Danny. A Danny? Na Bamoswa. Kevin Taylor started, he say, yeah, 9 people for starting because DC for now for started complaining. Me say it always tends. And posterity will bear all of us. What time then I knew what Mr. Teddy the new patriotic party is okay for a regional chairman to call a senior member of the party a murderer.
The silence of the party is too loud.
It's immediate. I'll put it there. They should check it. Me the best Aluta. My main topic